Hey guys, welcome back to the Daily Special. My name is Special and today I'm going to show you how I make Maryland style crab cakes. These crab cakes have very little filler and a lot of crab, so let's hop right onto it. We're starting off with 1 pound of lump crab meat, Panko breadcrumbs, Old Bay seasoning, garlic and onion powder, 1 whole egg, mayonnaise, Worcestershire sauce, and some Dijon mustard. I'm also chopping up about 1/4 cup of fresh parsley. I'm starting off by adding some ingredients into a large bowl. So first, we're going to add our mayonnaise and mustard together. Next, we're adding in our Worcestershire sauce. Then our Old Bay seasoning. And our onion and garlic powder. I'm whisking the ingredients we've added so far just to make sure everything is thoroughly combined. And now I'm adding in a teaspoon of fresh lemon juice. Now, a 1/2 teaspoon of sugar. I'm whisking and tasting my mixture before I add the egg to make sure the taste is right for me. And then we're going to add in our egg and whisk until combined. At this point, it's time to add our lump crab meat. So I'm going to add every bit in there and then mix well with the spatula so that I don't break up the pieces of crab. I want to keep as much whole as possible. After the crab meat is coated pretty well, I'm going to add in my panko breadcrumbs and my parsley and then mix thoroughly. I'm folding everything gently until it's combined, and then I'm going to cover it with some plastic wrap and put it in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. This helps the breadcrumbs get hydrated with all that filling. It's time to get started on our Remoulade sauce. I'm starting off with mayonnaise and Dijon mustard in a small bowl. I'm also adding Sweet Relish to the mix. Next is our rice wine vinegar, a bit of smoked paprika, and I'm mixing well until combined. Now I'm adding a few dashes of hot sauce and tasting it to see if it's at where I like it. As you can see, I added a little bit more relish and a little bit more hot sauce. I'm also adding a squeeze of lemon. I finished off the remoulade sauce by seasoning with salt, pepper, and garlic powder, and it was perfect after that. Now that 30 minutes is up, I've removed my crab mixture from the refrigerator and seasoned with red pepper flakes. You can do this before, I'm adding it now because I forgot earlier, but I added about a teaspoon. I'm buttering a cast iron skillet with about a tablespoon of butter. If you don't own a cast iron skillet, you can also do this in a baking dish. I'm using an ice cream scoop to scoop out and shape the crab cakes, and it's about 3 tablespoons per crab cake. This mixture is enough for me to make 9 crab cakes total. So I'm just going to shape them with my hands and put them each into the cast iron dish. I'm doing one final seasoning of Old Bay lightly sprinkled on top of each crab cake. Now I'm gonna add another tablespoon of butter all around the crab cakes just so that they have butter that they can cook in while they're in the oven. Then I'm going to place these in the oven on 400 degrees for 15 minutes and then under the broiler for 5 minutes so that the tops can get nice and brown. And here we have it, our beautiful golden brown crab cakes. Now you can watch me plate them up. And there we have it, Maryland-style crab cakes my way. You can find the full recipe on my website at thedailyspecial.com. All the links will be down below. Thanks for watching. See you next time.